Hello, this is Henish Francis from Caspian Account Service. Here we are to discuss the setup of the business from the scratch. So here we'll discuss, this is a series of programs, we'll discuss the step-by-step process to set up sole proprietorship, LLC, S Corp and C Corp. This is a series program, so please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button on the right side so you get the updates from our channel. So here I'm introducing Mr. Balaji Jayakumar. He's an expert in the accounting. Here he will discuss about each topic separate.
Hi, my name is Balaji Jayakumar. I'm an enroll agent like Mr. Henish Francis. He just introduced me. So yes, we are representing the Caspian Accounting Service, and the purpose of the entity is to provide services like bookkeeping, payroll services, sales tax filing, and also new corporation formation, which is a business entity, and also the non-profit organization. So we are doing quite a number of services. So please check out our website and you will get a complete idea what we are doing in the market. And also, so we are planning to release or make videos on certain topics which might help a lot of people. So it's going to be a series of videos we are going to publish in a regular interval. Possibly we are thinking about every week one video, so that may happen soon.
So Balaji, explain to us something about the formation of sole proprietorship.
Yeah, so about sole proprietorship, it's actually a disregarded entity. There is no separate entity different from the human being, the individual forming the corporation. People who are doing a very small business, like a handyman business, who are doing in a very small operation, or doing a jewelry based trade activity in a very small based activity, or motorcycle services in a small scale. So all those people may think about a sole proprietor. If they think formation of a new corporation might cost expensive, they can think about sole proprietor. The sole proprietor, like I said, is a disregarded individual entity. It's not an entity, it's a disregarded business which the person will have their own name with the federal ID number obtained from the IRS, and they can obtain a DBA name if they don't want to disclose their name. So that's about sole proprietorship. And if they are doing it, it's a single member. It will be taxed in Schedule C, and that way they will be paying self-employment tax also. So self-employment tax is nothing but a Social Security and Medicare. So they may pay income tax, Social Security and Medicare. So it is an earned income, it's a self-employed income. So that is about sole proprietorship.
Okay, since you explained about the sole proprietorship, Mr. Balaji, can you explain us the formation of the LLC? How we can go about processing the LLC and the paperwork involved and the other process?
Operation. So LLC, if it is a single member, which is that single member LLC is very similar to sole proprietorship, because it is taxed in the individual tax return is same as sole proprietorship, because it will be disclosed in Schedule C, and they will pay income tax, Social Security and Medicare, which is the self-employment tax. That's for the single member LLC. The only difference is the liability, the legal portion of liability is limited here. But in sole proprietor, there is no limited liability. It's one and the same. So here the liability becomes limited. If it is more than one member LLC, for the tax purpose, it will be treated as a partnership, and they will be filing a separate form called 1065, and there they don't pay any self-employment tax. Because LLC is a limited liability, and more than one member, it becomes a separate umbrella. It's kind of passive income. There won't be any self-employed income, or there is no it's not an earned income, it's kind of passive income. So that's about LLC.
Okay, Balaji, you explained very well about the sole proprietorship and LLC. Now it's your turn to explain us more about the S Corp.
So S Corporation is a corporation by itself. Either a corporation can elect it as a S Corporation, or an LLC can also be elected as an S Corporation. So when a shareholder or a member of a corporation or LLC decide to elect it as a S Corp, that meaning they are materially participating in the business. Doesn't matter it's LLC or corporation. When they put their heart and soul in the business, and they are the maker of the revenue and activities, so they have to compensate themselves. When they are compensating themselves, that's for the time they invest to make the revenue. That way government needs them to pay Social Security and Medicare, because it is defined as a self-employed income and it's an earned income. So that's about S corporation. And S corporation, who can be a member of the or shareholder for S corporation? It has to be a human being, individual, and they have to be a green card holder or a citizen for the nation. So another corporation or another LLC or another S corporation cannot be a shareholder for the S corporation. That's a little meaning.
Yes, Mr. Balaji, you explained very well about the sole proprietorship, LLC and S Corp. Now it's your turn to explain to us more about the C Corporation and what are the steps involved and the tax implication and the procedure to set up that C Corp. Please explain.
C Corporation, it's a corporation by itself. There is no further definition needed. It's just a corporation without any election. So it's the original raw organic format. So when you form a corporation and you don't do any election, it's C corporation by itself. So when you form a C corporation and be a shareholder, it doesn't need to be a green card holder or a citizen. There are certain other people can do it. The definition of certain other people, you need to find it from the IRS website, and you will get more information who can be the other person who can form a C corporation. Contact us to get more information who can be the other person other than a green card holder or a citizen. So we can advise you, or we can share more information on that particular before you prepare to form a C corporation. So C corporation, it's not a pass-through entity. So when you make money out of the C corporation, you will pay tax on the corporation by itself, and also the excess money will be transferred to the shareholders. It's not a pass-through, but it's a dividend income. It will go into their personal. So it's kind of double taxation. So the dividend tax, the dividend income will not be taxed in as ordinary income. It will be taxed in a very cheaper, lesser capital gain rate. So that way taxpayer can survive, because it's a double taxation. But the corporation will pay tax by itself. There are certain tax rates which we can discuss in detail. If you have any question, please contact us on what rates a corporation will pay tax. We can talk in detail about that. So based on what we discussed, please consolidate everything and just draw a conclusion what fits you correctly on choosing a corporation. If you still have any question, please leave us a comment. You can reach me or Mr. Anish Francis. We will be so happy to explain in detail about further process, how to form a corp and what fits you correctly. That's all about it. So if you still have any question, please feel free to drop a comment or reach us. The better we can reach you as soon as possible. And please follow us. Caspian Accounting Service is ready to help you in all the way. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello viewers, thank you for watching our videos, and please subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon, and please comment to our video, and we'll respond to your questions and concerns. And please watch our all the videos. This is a series of programs, and please go to our website, caspianaccountservice.com. There we have posted many videos and articles. Please read, go through the programs. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.